This is Tikom G8000 robot vacuum, a budget-friendly robot vacuum that avoids obstacles, doesn't fall from stairs, and has an app and remote control. So, in this video, we'll analyze Tikom on critical parameters like cleaning performance, navigation and mapping, and more to see if it's worth the money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, cleaning performance. The Tikom G8000 suction is strong enough to pick up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. It also features a dual vacuum and mop system. The 250 milliliter water tank is electronically controlled and offers 3 water flow levels for customized mopping based on floor type and mess. The mop provides a streak-free finish on hard floors, but it's best for maintenance cleaning rather than tackling sticky or dried-on stains. The robot often makes a single pass over an area and considers the job done, even if the mop pad isn't wet enough to clean properly. As a result, some spots may need multiple passes to get clean. You can also try spot cleaning, which basically does a 3-foot radius circle starting with the center. The floors get damp, not wet, which dries in around 20 minutes. Now that's a great feature for the woods, because that just ensures no excess moisture seeps through the wooden layers. Also, the mop pad is the width of the vacuum, so it has better coverage. While the mop is designed for water use only, you can spray cleaner directly onto the floor before mopping. Equipped with side brushes, the G8000 can reach into corners and along edges reasonably well, though it may leave some debris in tight corners. The robot uses gyroscope-based smart navigation, cleaning in a systematic zigzag pattern, and ensuring most areas are covered. However, it lacks advanced mapping features like LiDAR, so it may not map your home as precisely as higher-end models. It reliably avoids large obstacles and furniture, but can occasionally get stuck on cords, rugs with tassels, or low furniture. The robot always manages to return to its dock, though the pathfinding can be a little wonky when seeking the charger. The G8000 doesn't support virtual no-mop zones via the app, so you'll need to use physical barriers to keep it away from carpets when mopping. It does have basic anti-drop sensors to prevent falls on stairs. When the battery runs low, the G8000 automatically returns to its charging dock and resumes cleaning where it left off after recharging. This smart resume feature is highly convenient for larger homes. But it does not offer auto mop pad lifting, washing, or drying. You'll need to remove, clean, and dry the mop pad manually after each use. Now let's talk about how it actually feels to use it day to day. The G8000 is compatible with the Tikom app, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home, allowing for scheduling, mode switching, and manual control from your phone or by voice. If you don't prefer using the app much, you can use the remote control. G8000 is quieter than most upright vacuums at 60 decibels and can run without being overly disruptive. Its 2600 mAh battery provides up to 120 minutes of cleaning in standard mode, suitable for small to medium homes. On higher suction settings, runtime drops to around 60 minutes. The upgraded G8000 Pro extends runtime to 150 minutes, offering better performance for larger or messier spaces. But the G8000 does not have a self-emptying dustbin. The 600 milliliter dustbin must be emptied manually after each cleaning cycle. Finally, let's discuss warranty and customer support. The Tikom G8000 comes with a 1-year warranty, which is standard for budget robot vacuums. Customer experiences with Tikom support are mixed. Some users report prompt and helpful responses, especially for warranty issues. Others have found it difficult to obtain replacement parts or receive timely assistance. The lack of easily available spare parts is a common complaint. So all in all, the Tikom G8000 offers great value with strong suction, smart navigation, and easy app controls, making it ideal for everyday cleaning of dust, crumbs, and pet hair. However, it lacks features like self-emptying, no-mop zones, and auto mop pad cleaning. It's not suited for deep carpet cleaning, and replacement parts may be hard to find. Have you used Tikom robot vacuums? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another useful cleaning video for all your needs, watch this next.